How many devices can watch Netflix at the same time? Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. I'm back with a new quick video to answer how many devices can watch Netflix at the same time. Netflix allows different numbers of devices to stream simultaneously based on the type of subscription plan you have. Now to check the subscription plan, first you'll have to log into your Netflix account. For that, open any browser on your device and at the search bar type netflix.com. Then press enter to browse it. Here make sure you are logged into your account. Once you log into your account, you will find your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. Click on it and then there you'll find account option. Click on this account option. Once you click on the account option, you will be taken to this page. Here you will find the chosen plan. When you scroll down a bit, there you'll find change plan option. Click on this change plan and then there you will find various streaming plans. The first plan is the mobile, where you will be able to use Netflix on your mobile only and it can be downloaded in only one device. It is gonna cost you approximately $3 per month. The next one is basic plan. With the basic plan you can stream on only one device at a time, but you will be able to use any kind of device here: phone, tablet, computer or TV. This means that if someone is already watching on your account, you won't be able to stream on another device until they stop. Next one is standard plan. The standard plan allows for 2 simultaneous streams. This means you can watch on 2 different devices at the same time. The last one is the premium plan, which with the premium plan you can stream up to 6 devices simultaneously. It also gives you best video quality in Ultra HD or 4K, along with spatial audio available and ad-free experience. This allows for even more flexibility as more people can watch different content on different devices at the same time. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.